on you go, baby. Let's get it.
You got something to say to the mic?
It's Bully Ball in the Cobra. Sideline. I know y'all gonna have the sideline video after the season. Sideline video this.
You guys, one play at a time. Hey, you guys, one play at a time. One play at a time.
Win each play. Win each play.
Prescott in the gun, they blitz, and he throws it deep down the right side, and the ball is knocked incomplete. Second down, handoff Bell up the middle. And a touchdown, he snuck it in.
Smarter now. These guys are going to fight us now.
Ball 4th and 2. Quarterback keep. Coming left. Blasted down at the 80.
Damn it.
Fake to Bell. Go deep. Anderson's out there. This is going to go the distance. 92 yards.
Let's stay on top of his ass. But have a plan that starts from the beginning. All right? Line of scrimmage.
He's going to look to his right. He's going to throw to the goal line. It's caught at the 1, leaning in. Touchdown to Ryan Griffin.
Yeah, I think we're dropping anything low like that now, he said.
How deep did the tight end go?
I don't know. We don't have time because if I don't go now, I'm not going to get there.
Good. I'm going to say this as calmly as I know how. Hey, field goals are going to win this game now. Touchdown.
Darnold is in the gun on 3rd down, and he's looking that way, and he throws, intercepted by Jordan Lewis.
That was beautiful, boy.
Way to bow up. Way to bow up.
We needed that. We needed that.
Minutes, 3rd and 2. Prescott handoff Elliott. Across the 5 to the goal line. Banging it in. Touchdown, Cowboys.
Hell of a jump, 4. Hey, hell of a jump, 2. MG, wait for the front.
2 receivers on the right, just quarterback draw. Prescott up the middle, gets a block at the line, bangs over the goal line, touchdown, Cowboys. Okay, here's your ball game, 2-point conversion for the tie. Prescott back in the gun, throws it in the end zone, incomplete, and there are no flags anywhere. Well, this would be a bitter pill for the Cowboys to swallow, and they fought as hard as they could, and it wasn't good enough, and they weren't, you can't fall behind like that.